Do you know the difference between a hard start and a soft start? Hard starters actually increase the startup current of the application, and this causes electrical and mechanical stress. The soft starter smoothens the startup, extending the lifetime of the application. Surprisingly, most HVAC technicians are not aware of the differences and believe a hard starter and a soft starter are the same thing. They may try to sell the homeowner a cheaper hard start solution, not knowing that they are damaging the lifetime of the homeowner's HVAC unit. Let us help you and your team offer a higher quality product that will lead to improving your HVAC system and a long-term customer satisfaction. If you want to know more specifics about SureStart, then you can download our product catalog right here.